Alright, bike check. Here we go. Alright. Guess to start off with the bars. They're fit highs. Okay, then I got red ODIs. Okay. Got the profile acoustic stem. Then I got pitch shiv 2s. Got a flat ruben foldable front. Laced to on a eastern double wall, laced to an eastern hub. Then I got a salt forge peg. Okay, animal headset. A little polar bear. Okay, then I got the solitary frame. This is the box for it. We the People Pro 3-piece spindle cranks. Spline drive. Then I got an Eastern sprocket, just a KMC train, some Odyssey twisted pedals. Okay, I have no idea what kind of seat post this is. I got a Demolition D fat seat. Then I got a salt pitchraw tire in the back, and it's on backwards. I have no idea why. Just saw that. It is 2.25. Then I got a primo mix laced to a flybikes back rim. So yeah, I guess I'll do a sound check. Okay, then I got the same peg as in the front and the back. And I lost a spring for my primo mix, so I used a piece of my measuring tape. So yeah, it's all good. That's my bike. Yep, better.